DJ Flame It Up.
This actually feels amazing. Okay, Miche, I see you, girl. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kiana and I'm here to show you a new product that arrived in the mail. It's one of the last products that I have from my Black Friday order and it finally came in. It's 3 items that I received, but I'm only going to talk about 1 item right now. So the conditioner that I'm going to be reviewing today, it is from Miche Beauty and it's the limited edition. It's their Peppermint Candy Cane Holiday Deep Conditioner. This product was like $10.50 online for their Black Friday deal, and it is 8.5 fluid ounces, and of course it smells like peppermint. It smells so good. It smells so refreshing. The consistency is very creamy, so I already know I am going to love this deep conditioner. To make my deep conditioner even more poppin', I do have my Kiridu that I use for every wash day now because steaming my hair works best. It makes the products penetrate into my strands, so I'm super excited to do that. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Don't forget to like this video when it's over, and let's jump right into the video. Alright, so I just finished cleansing my hair. So I am going to put my hair into sections. It was in 4 big twists. Of course, they came loose when I was shampooing my hair. So hopefully my hair is still a little bit detangled. But if not, it's no big deal. This product should do the job to help detangling. So I'm just going to read the back of the deep conditioner. It says what it does: give your hair a thick pick-me-up this holiday season with a cool and fresh feeling of peppermint and a hint of sweet cream blend together. Our Peppermint Candy Cane Deep Conditioner Mask is made with hair and scalp loving essential oils such as peppermint, tea tree, which help to relieve dry hair and scalp, stimulate hair growth, and give your hair a healthy and beautiful shine. Even though this smells good enough to eat, please do not ingest. So it really do smell good. The other one that I received is their sugar cookie, but I'm going to use that product in the whole Miche Beauty video. And then also I do have their new curl bounce curling cream. I'm going to use that in my next wash day so I can do a wash and go with it. But I am going to apply this all over into this one section. Again, it is super creamy. And you already know I love tea tree oil. It smells amazing and it just gives your scalp a cool, like a nice tingling sensation, which I love. So I have gloves on, so I can't really tell you how my hair feels. I will take off the gloves when I finish applying it all over. I just don't want my nails to mess up because I just got them done yesterday. I could finger detangle. Again, my hair is already detangled, but it did get a little bit tangled back up because I washed my hair whole. Okay, so let's try the Felicia Leatherwood. Not too bad. Alright, so I'm going to use my hair steamer. The ultimate test to see how good it absorbs into my hair with my steamer. Alright, yep, this feels great. Feels really good. You can just see the little definition. Alright, so I just finished the back section. My hair feels really good, so I'm going to finish the front and the back here, and then when I get to this side I will come back to you. So I am doing the last section here. Again, I take a handful out. You know, who say you need a dime size? They have not thought about us type 4 naturals when they mention dime size. Right now, my head does feel a little tingly, which I appreciate. You can definitely see I need some more. Yeah, so this is how much I have left. You can see the bottom. I use almost more than half of the jar. Yeah, my hair is definitely getting thicker. That's exactly what that means. I'm not being heavy-handed. I'm not. There's no way. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is make like a concoction, because that is not gonna last me for another wash day. So I'm probably gonna have to mix some other deep conditioners that I have like a little bit left of, and just do that. I'll definitely make a video of that, because yeah, that's kind of crazy. I'm pretty sure this deep conditioner is a moisturizing deep conditioner. Yes, you can just see how the curls are forming. Yeah, it looks so good. So I'll split this into half. So I'm gonna sit with this for about 20 minutes, as I said. Put a plastic bag over my head and put a towel on top just to make sure that it is heated up, and I will be back when I wash it out. Alright, so I am back and I just finished deep conditioning. I had this in for like an hour, to be completely honest, because I was on the phone. Lost track of time, but look at it. The hang time is definitely there. My hair looks so thick, guys. My hair feels amazing. I took the gloves off so I can actually feel it. It feels amazing. It really do. Nice and thick. It's soft. So yeah, the ultimate test is to see what happens when I wash it out. So yeah, like the curl definition is definitely there. Alright, so let me go wash it out and I'll be back in the next clip. Alright, so I just finished washing it out. First off, the rinse out was amazing. Like, my hair just felt so good. Whoa. I think out of the two Miche deep conditioners that I have, the Indulge and the Protein one, this just may be my favorite deep conditioner from Miche. I am just, wow. I wish you could feel my hair. You'll feel like I have like oils in my hair. Like I applied oil. Like I didn't. I guess it's the oils from here, the peppermint and the tea tree oil. This is a really good deep conditioner. Like, I'm not even trying to gas it up whatsoever.
This is a really good deep conditioner.
Again, I have basically nothing left in here. Like, this can't even work for half of my head. I'm going to have to pair this with other deep conditioners I have a little bit of. But yes, this is a really good deep conditioner and I highly do recommend it. I don't know if they are selling it still, because this was a holiday promo that they had, but they need to have this permanently, because hands down, this is a really good deep conditioner. I'm not even gassing it. Like, I'm not gassing it. Limited edition. I'm so happy I got it, and I wonder how the sugar cookie one is going to be. I can't wait to use that. I'm just so excited. But yeah, compared to their Indulge and the Protein one, this is number one for me. I love this. I really do. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you ever use any of the Miche products, please list down below which ones are your favorite. If you do have this, let me know how you liked it, because I am totally in love with this baby. Like, I need more Miche. I need more. I need you to keep this around. Whatever formula is in here, I need you to keep around. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.